Alright guys, I'm going to have some tools in action for you guys with Ling tool set 971. That is going to be our part number for this tool set. So, just a moment, I'll show you guys the tool set and then we'll get to work. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, hey y'all, back, and this is the Ling Tools 971 48-piece rethreading set. Now this is the Master Rethread Kit. There's another one that says Master Rethread Kit, but that's a 40-piece, and it doesn't have some pieces. And you're going to need those pieces. Those pieces are going to be very important. And Snap-on also makes this kit. And this is going to be this is for a 125 hole and bolt. And I'm going to get the right one that says 125. And I'm going to take it, go like this. But I'll put it down, and that way you can really get it. And that's how this works with this, is go like that. Alright. And then just stay tuned, I'll show you how this piece is going to work. Alright. We'll be back. What's up? Alright, so you guys can see how screwed up those holes look. We're going to use this thread die right here with the 125 pitch. And some of the anti-seize. And we'll put it in there, we'll cut out the threads, and we'll run in a bolt. Or actually, I'll show you guys what the bolt looks like. One moment. Alright, so there should be. That's the one it goes into. See that? That is working so much. Oh, that's where it's starting to get itchy. So I'm gonna run this through and cut out some new holes. So I'm gonna prop it up in a better position, you guys. Started. Alright, I'm going to use my T-handle, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got a T-handle right here, and a 17, yeah, that's a 13 mil. It's going nice and easy. Looks good. Looks good. Alright. Let's see how this worked. Look at that, you guys. Alright, and I didn't file this bolt down. I didn't file that up there, so that's probably, or I'm probably actually bottoming it out. No, I didn't file this bolt. So I need to finish filing the bolt. And then we'll try it again. Alright guys, you saw that. Alright, so I just want to show you guys this. Look how easy that's going in now. all I did was just put some weight behind it and some elbow grease. Not really even elbow grease, but this kit kicks ass. Has some tools in action for you, buds. Alright. We'll be back. Alright, what you guys think? Pretty impressive, don't you think? Alright. Just would like to thank you guys again for watching. Let me get some subs, some comments, and some likes. Deuces.